Birthday, Miss G!
Happy birthday, Kimmy, to us!
And the rest of the second crew!
Busy sila.
Busy sila. Happy birthday to us!
I will be experiencing the new omakase with you tonight. So, yes, it's exciting.
Wow!
Thank you, Remy. I'll be your host tonight.
Special omakase dinner hosted by BMC for Kimmy.
And me? Ay, ikaw nga to. Huwag mo na ako isa.
Kasama ka, birthday mo din to. Birthday nating dalawa.
Matagal pa. It's for you, see?
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, it's my first birthday cake.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to everybody.
We love you.
Thank you.
Happy po.
Happy birthday. Salamat. Mabuhay. Hinahanap ko lang si Derek eh.
Sino ba? Sino ba pwede?
Kim.
Si Kim na naman. Why not? Well, gusto ko naman yung working kung paano magtrabaho sa team. Sino ba pwede ngayon?